Musqueam Indigenous, Megizidodem, Wikwemkundonjiba. My name's Autumn Peltier. I'm 15 years old, and I'm from Wikwemkong on Manitoulin Island, which is in Northern Ontario in Canada. I would like to thank the Global Landscapes Forum for having me here today to share my concerns and share why my people have a sacred connection to the water and lands. I would like to start by sharing that the work I do is in honor of my great Auntie Bidasageba. If it weren't for her lifetime commitment and sacrifices to create the awareness and the sacredness of water, I would not be standing here today. I come from Manitoulin Island. It's the largest freshwater island in the world. It is surrounded by Lake Huron and Georgian Bay. It is here where my activism work began. It all started by learning why my people couldn't drink the water on Ontario Indigenous lands. I was confused as Canada is not a third world country, but here in my country, the Indigenous people live in third world conditions. Boil water advisories are still in existence and have been for over 20 years in some communities. There are children born into a world living off bottled water, living off a certain amount to do everyday things. I began to research this issue and discovered it was all across Canada. Then I learned of places like Flint, Michigan in the USA. Then I learned the seriousness of having clean drinking water. Then it was like a light bulb went off why my great auntie was doing what she did for the majority of her life, until her last breath.